the FIIL CC2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the FIIL CC2 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide and Type-C charging cable. The earbuds features 5 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.2, touch controls, app integration with EQ settings, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case has a sleek, slim look and it feels solid all around with a matte finish. On the front you have the branding. And on the bottom you have the USB-C charge port. To remove the earbuds, you have to grip it from the top, and it's a bit difficult to remove from the case. It has an open design with no lid, and they're held into place by magnets. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a semi-in-ear design with a long stem. On the inside part of the stem, you have the ear indicators. The outer face has a branding along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have LED, touch control, microphone, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. This has app integration, and once you're connected you can see the battery levels on the main screen. You can select from EQ presets or customize and save your own, and you can also update the firmware. The case comes in at 1.7 by 0.7 by 1.9 inches. It weighs in at 36 grams, and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing a fight, even though there's overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the FIIL CC2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be very comfortable due to the semi-in-ear design, and you won't feel pressure in your ear canals. It does lack the secure feel, as it can easily fall off if you decide to use them for workouts. Touch controls are a plus, as they won't add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. I like the compact design and sleek look of the case, and as mentioned, earbuds are a bit difficult to remove from the case. Touch controls are responsive and not overly sensitive. Battery life is good, coming in at 5 hours and 32 total with the case. I like the app integration. I would have liked to see ANC and transparency features. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in punchy and tight and not lacking at all, especially with the semi-in-ear style. Mids and highs are crisp and clean, and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments do stand out. You can also definitely tell the difference when toggling the EQ presets or customizing it. Overall, I found the earbuds to be solid. It does miss out on a few points that I mentioned earlier, but there's good value at this price point in my opinion. So that is my review of the FIIL CC2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.